Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to fix 10004 Zoom. So guys, usually this error code, usually a failed update, installation, or firewall issue. So sometimes guys, you could solve this issue by temporarily turning off any firewall into your computer. And if that doesn't work out, you could just simply go ahead and try the latest version of the Zoom. So sometimes outdated version of the Zoom can cause some issues. Now from here, you could just simply go for your profile and just simply check for updates if there are any, because sometimes outdated software can cause the issue, and make sure you are running the latest version. Now, if that doesn't work out, just simply go for a run over here, guys. And after that, you could just simply search for firewall.cpl. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select OK. And from here, you should be able to have an option, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. So from here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down and try to find Zoom video conference. So make sure that this is checked, and this is checked, and this is checked. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and make sure to select OK in order for you to proceed with this process. Now, if it doesn't work out, the best thing that you could do is just simply uninstall the Zoom into your computer and install it back again. And mostly this will be a huge reset into your data, and mostly that can fix the issue as well. And pretty much that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.